Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the usb80236.sys blue screen error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Right click on the start icon, select device manager. You just need to expand the universal serial bus controller and USB root hub USB 3.0. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall device guys. Click on uninstall and uninstall it guys. After that we need to restart your PC guys. For that it will automatically reinstall it guys. So we need to restart our PC. After deleting it, was out of here. Now go ahead and restart our PC. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem guys. In case if you still having a problem, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator guys. Now select yes. Now you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will fix the corrupted files on your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. So wait for it until this 100% done. After done, you just need to restart your PC guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve the problem. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.